Welcome to Cooking with Bobbi Jo. It isn't Thanksgiving in the South without some casseroles on the dinner table. Today I will show you how to make a chicken, broccoli, and rice casserole. For those of you that don't like broccoli, you can just leave it out and it'll just be a chicken and rice casserole. Now, a lot of people make this up and they transfer it into a casserole dish for baking. Feel free to do that if you want. I am just going to make a one-pot meal and I'm going to make it in my Dutch oven. You want to start by melting 1 tablespoon of butter, and once the butter is melted, add in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and cook that for a couple of minutes. I then add in 2 cups of chicken broth and 2 cups of water. Stir it all together and heat that to boiling. Then add in 2 cups of long grain white rice, give it a stir, and place the lid on and reduce the heat to low and let it simmer. You want to cook that for 10 minutes. Remove the lid and then add in the broccoli. I'm using fresh broccoli and I usually add 1 cup of broccoli, but this is going to be more like a half a cup. Steve doesn't care for broccoli in this, so I'm going to try to keep it to where he doesn't have too much broccoli to pick out. You want to preheat the oven to 375 degrees, place the lid back on, and the rice should be done in about another 10 minutes. Now that the rice is done, I'm going to add in 1 can of cream of chicken soup, half and half, and I just measure it in a soup can halfway and pour it in. One cup of sour cream, 1 can of chicken, and this is a large can of chicken. I will put the recipe on my blog so you can see all the information. 1 cup of cheddar cheese, and 1 tablespoon of ranch seasoning. I'm going to mix it all together. And then I will add some pepper. I'm not adding salt because the chicken broth has salt. You want to top it with cheddar cheese and cornflakes. I'll leave the lid off when I'm baking it in the oven so the cornflakes will toast. Bake for 30 minutes and then remove from the oven and enjoy. This is cheesy, creamy, and delicious. It's a good dish for potluck, Thanksgiving, Christmas, or just to have a family one-pot meal. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned tomorrow for another Thanksgiving recipe. Have a blessed day.